What's up, everybody? Mr. Blog back at it with a not so special video for you. This is a different type of video. I bought this item here about 7 months ago. Loved it. Worked great. 200 watts. Used it to charge my laptop. Used it to charge my phones. You got all the different connections. It is sweet. Well, it won't even come on, really. Anyway, at the end of the day, I let this set. It was halfway charged. It sat for about 3 weeks doing nothing. 7-month mark. Went to charge it. Zero battery. I charged it. It had one blinking light. 5 minutes later it had another. 10 minutes later it had another. So in other words, it was charging that fast. This is 100%. This is 75. This is 50. So it started from here and went all the way up. It usually takes about 6 hours or so to charge this. It said it was completely charged in 30 minutes. Went to plug it in, charged up, tried to charge up some devices, and it died in like a minute. I left it overnight, fully charged. The blue lights were on after like 20 minutes, but I left it overnight, let it go all night, total of about 12 hours, plugged up the phones to it, died in like 5 minutes. Piece of crap. Powkey, it's made in China is where it's made. I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and go with it because it has 4.5 stars on Amazon. 4.5 stars on Amazon. If you go to the comments though, and you click on the 1 stars, they really all say the same thing. It didn't charge. It died after 5 months. It died after 7 months. It died after this or whatever. So I was like, you know what? That's a few people here and there. That's not going to be me. I was wondering why this thing only had, I believe it's only a 3-month, not even a 6-month, a 3-month warranty on this. Might be 60 or 6 months. I don't know. Go check. But it's 6 months or less. They knew what they were doing. I don't know what's going on. It's kind of strange. They said charge it and use it at least once every 3 months to maintain the battery. I get that. I have a lot of ion batteries and all that good stuff. I have a lot of power banks. Anker is where it's at. I got 7 of those. I'm probably going to go within... I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to go with. Probably go with the bigger Anker with the AC adapter on it. It's just a little bit more. That's why I went with this because it had great ratings. But I think I'm just going to have to pay that premium price and get what I know is going to work, which is Anker. Have tons of Anker products. Go check out the videos on those. Lots of links in the description, all that good stuff. But now, when it comes to this, I don't have anything positive to say about this except if you don't mind spending 129 to 145 is usually what it goes for in that range, and have it last only 6 months, then go ahead and pick this up because it works great. It's a cool tool. It's very heavy and it's bulky. The Anker power bank I'm probably going to pick up is about from here to here. It's about half the thickness. One AC outlet, it's 100 watts, and you have two USBs, sorry, and you have a USB-C on that one. This one doesn't even come with that. So anyway, this bad boy is trash. I can't return it because it's out of warranty. There's nothing I can do. This is just a loss. 100 and whatever I paid for this, 25 I think actually. It's just a loss. It's just a paperweight right now. So I'm probably going to take it apart, make a video on that and show you what's in it. Probably some dang weights. But this is a freaking disappointment. Again, I charged it for 10 overnight, charged up the phone for 10 minutes and went dead. Charged it a little bit more. It showed 4 batteries. I left it for like 3 hours. Charged it, nothing. So it doesn't hold a charge. So those few people are right. More people voted this great, and I think it's because the first 2-3 months they left a review saying, oh, it works great. If I would have left a review, I would have said the same thing. But this is a piece of garbage. This is garbage. Do not buy this whatsoever. Stick with Anker. Stick with the names that you know. No more am I going to go with the off-brand names, even if it has a good rating. I'm so ticked off about it. That's why I'm rambling on right now. Anker power banks. I have many different sizes. The light to this, what is this called? The ring light I have going on right now. It's an Anker. Let me show you. It's a baby Anker. This is the smallest one I have. But Anker products are just the best. Haven't had one fail me yet. So I think that's what I'm going to have to do. Pay the extra money to get the Anker with the AC adapter. Now they have big blocks for like $2.99, $3.99. I'm gonna get the other one that's $1.99. It's like that thick, that long, one AC, two USBs, and one USB-C. I know I'm repeating myself, but I just want this video to stretch out and to let you know how crappy and how disappointing this is. So anyway, time to watch the Mavs. They're about to come on at 9 o'clock. It's 8:55 right now on a Monday. It's the 2nd. So yeah, we'll chat to y'all later. Peace out. Thanks for listening to my ramble.